I'm really hungry. I spent all my money on beers. Aha! I can buy my shopping in a supermarket from returning back these empty bottles. Sounds like a good idea. Let's go. Right. Loads of bottles here. This is where I will be going, and it says it's open every day, 7 till 8 o'clock. Right, so here is the Albert supermarket. Oh. So this is the machine where I will be giving back my glass bottles. Let's do it. Right. That's it. We've got loads here. Okay. And you can see it's doing the counting for me here. Already it says 12 crowns for 4 bottles. I wonder how much I'm going to have at the end of this. Branik. I found another good beer, by the way, besides Radagast. Branik is also good beer. Try it. That's how it looks inside. Alright, this bag is empty now. How much do we have here? It says 45 crowns already, and we still have this bag to go. This is a really good system here they have in Czech Republic. Finished. Right, how much money do I have now? Right, done. 25 bottles and I get 75 crowns back. And once I've finished, just press this button here and I'll have a receipt, also known as Listek. And here it is, 75 crowns for the bottles. So I'm gonna get myself some breakfast now. 75 crowns is my budget from this receipt. And here they have the beer. So I'd like to show you something. When you go into a store and you see the yellow label, that means the price is on discount, so that means AXE. So when you see the yellow label and it says AXE, that means discount. So when you buy a beer for 20, if you do buy a bottle and say I gave you the example, it's for 20, when you go to pay for it, they will add on 3 crowns because the bottle itself costs 3 crowns. So I'm going to get Rohlik now. I can get Rohlik as well, because I have my budget from my ticket. Gloves. Look at the Rohlik. So that's why it's important to give back your glass bottles and get yourself some shopping. Or the homeless can also give back glass bottles and get their shopping, because look at the price of the bread. It's only like 2 crowns. Have a look. Rohlik. 1. So I got myself 5 Rohlik. I should have got beer, so I'll get beer. Look at the prices. Branik is 7 crowns. Ooh. Do you know how cheap that is? 7 crowns. That's like 15p. That's like 20p. Like, it's really cheap. That's all I can tell you. All of these prices here, you can see, is like AXA. So they have yellow label and they have a white label. The white label is the original price, the yellow label is discounted. Dobrý den, dám si kuřecí párky, prosím. 3, prosím. So I'm getting myself now some chicken sausages. So maybe I have not once gone over the budget, but I reckon soon I will. Ano, prosím, jo, dobré. Right, and they also got salam sausages here as well. Všechno, ano. Děkuji. Jo. Andre Traveler. Jo. YouTube, jo? Dobré. Nashledanou. Okay. And look at the prices of the beer. In England, you'd pay a fortune for beer, but every beer here costs less than £1. Honestly, everything here that I'm looking at now costs less than 26 crowns. Everything here. Also need parmesan cover. This is the best spread. Traditional. Who agrees with me? Parmesan cover spread makes one of the best sandwiches. Right. Mám všechno. Wonder how much this is going to cost. Dobrý den. Right. Mám lístek, jo? Okay. Yeah. Till next time. Ciao.